Alright, so what's going on, guys? My name's CG Build and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be looking at the Akko CS Wine Red switches. These are the newest switches from Akko at this point in time. And like always, I'm super excited to check these out because usually Akko has some super nice switches that don't make you like pay an arm and a leg for them. First, just let me say this. These are sick and I really like them. I'm going to be showing them off on a few different plates and boards just so you can hear what you'll be getting if you do want to get these. And I'm just going to say right now, these are pretty sick. Anyways, first getting them in my hand, looking at the packaging, of course, looks great. Akko has some really nice looking branding on all their stuff. Like normal, they come in a set of 45 and cost $17 USD. Now, usually from Akko, the CS switches cost a little less, but like the CS Silvers they did a video on, they're definitely worth the price in my opinion. Getting into some facts about these are pre-lubed. I mean, if you couldn't tell by the big circle on the box. Now, these are factory lubed. Now, they do have some good points of why they do this and like the whole reasoning for it. But I'm just going to be honest. I'm going to save you some time so you don't have to read their whole explanation. The lubing that is done on these switches is pretty good. Yeah, not every switch is perfect, but it gets rid of that spring ping, which is it's very annoying. So at least that's gone. And honestly, I didn't have any problems with them. I think I had like 3 to 4 switches out of the whole, like the both boxes I got. They weren't too good. That was like 3 or 4 of them. So like that's not too bad. Like that's like a win for me, and I'm definitely happy with it. Here on screen, you see the info of the switches that they have on their site. These are somewhat between a medium and lightweight as far as the feel goes of a switch. They're not too heavy, they're not too light, they're just kind of in the middle. Now, as far as the looks of the switch, they're super clean. They have a transparent top housing with like these sparkles. In the picture on their site, it looks like gold or like fake gold or whatever. But in person, it doesn't come across as this. Like, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know that that's what they were trying to go with it. I just thought it looked cool because it was like sparkle. And I don't know. I mean, it looks good, right? Now, of course, you have that pinkish red color. That's why it's called the wine red switches or whatever. And that color is on the bottom housings and the stem. And I really like this unique look. I mean, they look good. I'm a big fan. Now, I'm going to be moving on to the sound test because I know that's what everyone's here for. I know. I'm going to be using these switches stock, of course, with 3 different boards and different plates, just so you get that full range of sound, you know? First, you're going to be looking at the Tofu 65 with a brass plate. On screen, I'll have text saying what all the different mods and stuff are. I mean, you'll see what I mean. Second is the Ajazz ACO81 with an aluminum plate. That's a stock board, actually. There's like no mods to that thing. I haven't been able to do that. So it is going to be a stock board, so at least you'll see that. And last, and probably my favorite, the MOD005 from Akko with an FR4 plate. For the keycaps, I wanted to stay consistent through the whole thing, so I used the Hippo keycaps from Kinetic Labs. I have a link for everything I just named in the description if you want to go check that out. I think the only thing I would actually get a kickback from is the Kinetic Labs one, so I'm just being honest. I don't want you to think I'm trying to make a whole bunch of money. Anyway, I don't know why I'm talking about this. I do want to say that before we get into the sound test, please like and subscribe, man. This took me so long to do. I know I don't talk about my personal life, but I still have carpal tunnel in my hand, and I actually have carpal tunnel in both hands, which is like really rare. My doctor said that was like really rare to be so young, only 21 years old, and have carpal tunnel in both hands. So doing this type of little bitty stuff like this, it takes a toll on me. I'm not trying to throw my own pity party or whatever. I'm just being honest, okay? Just please subscribe and like the video. It would mean a lot to me. Now let's do the sound test. So what do you think? I really like them. Especially with the FR4 play. Ooh, these things look sick, man. I like them. These switches, because of that lighter typing experience, is going to give off more of a clack sound. So it's to be expected. So, I mean, you heard that in the sound test. I mean, I did at least. But I can say that I recommend the Wine Red switches from Akko. Definitely a solid choice. Now, if you like this video, I do have some more keyboard videos and switch videos. But yeah, you can go check them out if you want some more keyboard content. And keep going further and further down the rabbit hole. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed, and let me know what I can improve on the videos, like I don't know, anything really, just whatever you want to see, different video ideas, different angles for the camera, I mean anything. I'm all ears. After all, this channel would be nothing without people watching it, so yeah, thank you. Anyways, like I said, that is the end of the video, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I already said, once again, I'm just repeating myself, and I'll see you in the next one.